Hey everyone, today we'll be installing for the Nissan Elgrand year models between 2011 and 2020. We will start off by removing the dash trims and the dash itself. We will start again from this side here. It's mainly on plastic clips. The lighting here may be poor, but I've got some light to show you that this can be removed just by hand. It's on clips, just like that. And there we go, it pops off just with some hand pressure or dash removal tools. This is the dash removal tool here, or you can just pry it off by hand, and then you work your way around and to the other side. And we are just on the driver's hand side. By popping off the trim for this one, you'll have to go from the top, then you work your way from the inside and pull it out towards you, just like that. And then to remove this next part here, the lower dash that goes around, we need to remove these two clips here, 1 and 2. Okay, once you've removed both sides of the plastic trims, the drivers and the passengers, we're going to start by removing this piece here and then the screw behind here, and work our way around by removing the dash. Once you've removed this trim piece, you will then remove the screw here and then pop it off slowly with the dash removal tool, and then this piece will come off. Now this next part might be difficult for some people, but you need to remove the plastic trim just under the steering in order to get access to the wooden panel where the quick start is, and then just remove that out with a pry tool going up towards you to remove this piece right here. You may find that the best part to remove this wooden piece is just down by the hook here, going upwards towards you, and then go around, follow it with the trim to remove that piece. This piece will then be removed with a screw here. I'll just give you some light. There we go, there's a screw there that must be removed in order to remove this trim here. In order to have the transmission removed, pop this down from the transmission and then remove the pin sliding out towards you, and then you can pop this off from the top. In order to have this main dash removed, you must hold on both sides and pull it up towards you. Remember to move the transmission down in order to pop it off. Once you have removed the 2 screws just below the screen, you can then pop the plastic off. You must then remove the 4 screws holding the screen down. You must then remove the factory brown LDVS cable, connect this one here to the female part of Nifty City's LDVS cable, then connect the male part of the Nifty City cable to the factory LDVS port. Once you have connected the Nifty City LDVS cable, you may then feed it down towards the lower part of the dash, and it should be put somewhere in the lower dash area. Feed all the wires down from the headunit and screen, and then put the module back here somewhere. It's the best placement. Then remove the headunit, remove the 2 top screws and the 2 bottom screws. 2 top and 2 side screws. Once you remove the headunit, connect all the relevant wires and feed it back to the footwell, and then connect the module. Remember to connect the audio channel down to your armrest or the back of the armrest. And that should be it.